here. So just have a look. This is my power button. You tap on it for some while. So when you tap on it for some while, you're going to see this pop up, which is the restart, power off, and airplane mode. So you just have to tap on restart. Then after that, to tap on OK to restart your device. And after doing this, the problem is going to be fixed. After updating it, clearing the cache, clearing the storage, checking notification, checking other details about the app, as I showed you, everything is going to work perfectly. When you after restarting your device or rebooting your device and it's still not opening, then maybe there's a problem with the app. Maybe the owner of the app or the developer is working towards it, so you have to wait. So if you want to know whether the developer is towards working on it, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. But to check this, please, when it's still not opening, you have to go to this section. Go to your phone settings. So when you go to your phone settings and you go to your apps and preference or apps and notification or apps list, tap on it and tap on the see all apps over here. Then after that, you have to search for the apps that you are trying to fix. So we were trying to fix Binance, so we have to search for Binance, and this is it. So tap on it. When you try to restart it and you try to do the first step and it's not working perfectly, tap over here, storage and cache, tap on the clear storage, then you tap on OK. Then after that, try to restart it. And when it's still not working, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store, search for the name of the app that you are trying to fix. So over here we are trying to fix Binance. So when you search for Binance, after updating it and doing all the steps that I showed you, what you have to do next is to just scroll, and you're going to see this, write a review. So you tap on the write a review over here, and you have to describe your experience. So as you can see, he says describe your experience, and it's optional. So maybe you can take one of the stars when you think it's not really working perfectly for you, but when you think it's working perfectly for you, you have to take all the stars. Do you get me? So that the person will get more downloads, because when people are downloading a certain app, they come to check reviews. So it's very important. But when you think it's really working very slow for you, or it's really not working the way you want it to be, you just give it some 2 stars or 1 star. Then after that, you tap on describe your experience. Tap over here. When you tap over here, what you have to do is to explain or send it to the person that please not able to open Binance app. So when you type in this, or maybe you can say, please, I'm not able to use Binance, or please, when I tap on my Binance, it's not opening. It's all the same. So when you tap over here like this, and you take on the 2 stars or 1 star, or like any of this, so when you choose 1 or 2, then after that, you have to, it's still loading over here. You just forget about it and focus over here. After taking on 1 or 2 stars, then you write your problem over here. Then you tap on post. So as you can see, we have post over here. When you tap on it, it's going to post and to be additional to this views over here that you see people are writing over here. You see, this is someone's problem. See, and this is the reply from Binance. As you can see, Binance INC. So when you put your problem over here, they are going to reply you. Do you get me? So that is how to get in touch with them. So when you tap on, maybe when you type in app not opening, they're going to tell you that this is the problem, or you have to do this and this. Do you get me? So when that is not working, you can also check over here, which is app info, app support. Every app on Play Store has its own app support. So when you tap on it, that's where you're going to get the email of the developer, the website of the developer, and you can use the website or email to contact them. And this problem is going to be fixed. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video has really helped you.